Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to fish in Heartopia step by step. It's super easy even if you are a beginner. So let's get started. First, just find a fishing spot. Just look for a pond, river, or any water area where you can see fish shadows under the surface like this. Like this. And then next, just take out your fishing rod like this. And then just aim the target marker near the face shadows that appears in the water. Like this. And then after that, just tap on the rod button like this. And then just tap and hold the button and just like this. Like this, just the technique is just tap and hold the rod button when the fish bites the hooks, and then just release it when the fishing line turns yellow or red, because yellow or red means your rod is about to break, so timing is important. And then just pull it again and repeat until you catch the fish. And if you do it right, you will successfully catch the fish like this. And okay, that's it. Now just explore waters all around the map to discover many different types of fish in Heartopia. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.